Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install canonical tags for SEO with WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. To install canonical tags for SEO with WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for plugins. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO or Rank Math since both offer canonical tag features. Select the plugin of your choice from the search results. Click the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, click Activate to enable the plugin. Go to SEO in the dashboard if you chose Yoast SEO, or Rank Math if you chose Rank Math. For Yoast SEO, navigate to the Search Appearance section. In the General tab, scroll down to find the setting for canonical URLs. Ensure that the toggle for canonical URLs is enabled. For Rank Math, go to the General settings and find the Canonical URLs option. Enable the Canonical URLs feature if it's not already turned on. Next, edit a specific post or page where you want to add a canonical tag. In the editor, scroll down to the Yoast SEO or Rank Math meta box. Look for the field labeled Canonical URL. Enter the canonical URL you wish to use for this content. Make sure the URL is accurate and points to the preferred version of the page. Save your changes by clicking the Update button. Repeat this process for each post or page that requires a canonical tag. To verify that your canonical tags are working, view the source code of your page. Right-click on the page and select View Page Source. Press Ctrl+F or Command+F to open the search function. Type rel equals canonical in the search bar. Check that the canonical tag appears with the correct URL. Finally, monitor your site's SEO performance using tools like Google Search Console to ensure effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.